Very good morning, dear students. Dear children, in the last class you learned that it is algebraic introduction to algebra. Today I am going to explain. I am going to continue the chapter. It is algebraic equation. Before that, you should know the meaning of variable, constant, arithmetic expression and algebraic expression. After that, we should proceed to algebraic equation. The first one is variable. Dear students, you may have heard the word variable. Variable, it is very simple. It may always changes. Then it is called as varies or variable. Variable means continuously changing. That can be expressed in maths by using English alphabets. Especially in English alphabets, we are taking the small letters like A, B, C, so on, M, N, X, Y, Z. These are all the notations or symbols we used for representing variables. Variables are nothing but continuously changing. The word only says that it is varies. What are varies? Number of days are varying. Ages, day by day increases. Yes or no? So, the things which growing or changing, we generally indicated by the word variable. It is indicated by the small letters of alphabets we have taken. From A to Z, some letters generally we have not taken, which are O. O generally we should not take because O we represented by taking the center of circle. Okay. Now come to another important, it is constant. Constant means any fixed value. Any fixed value, it is called as constant. Which does not change, it is indicated by constant. What are constant? Does not change. You may have seen when you are visited to mall, you observed that it is fixed value. What is that fixed? Fixed is nothing but not changes, not varies. It is called as constant. For example, 5. 5 is the number, it is equal to 5 only. It is not equal to 5.1 also. And also it is not, 5 is not equal to 4. 5 is equal to 5 only. So that it is called constant. 6, 100. So the numbers which are called constants. So dear students, now you know the meaning of variable and constant. Next is by using these constants, if you done some operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, those expressions called as arithmetic expressions, the numbers which contains the signs like plus, minus, into and division, the expression, the complete problem, it is called as arithmetic expression. And now I proceed to the next very most important, it is algebraic expression, the terms which contains constant and variables involving in the four basic fundamentals in maths, that is addition, multiplication, subtraction and division. Those are called as algebraic expressions. Algebraic expressions. Next we proceed to the meaning of equation. Equation. Dear students, any statement which can be represented symbolically, which is equal to any statement equating to some values, then we call as equation. So the statements which should contains the symbol equation. that is equal, then we say that it is equation. Other than equals, any other symbols if it contains like greater than or smaller than or not equal to, these indicates that those statements are not equations. Equations, it must contains the symbol equals. Equal represents that both left hand side quantities and right hand side quantities are equal. Then only we say that those are equations. Dear students, here in this class I am going to explain how to write the statement into equations and also how to convert equations into statements. Conversion of equations into statements as well as statements into equations. So these are all very important because these are called as fundamentals in algebra. So that the name of the chapter only indicates that it is algebraic equations. So here conversion of statements to equation. Dear students, here you should know that statement is nothing but given in sentence. Statements are given in sentence that has to convert by using variables and constants, that is called as algebraic equations. Understood? Statement has to convert into equations. Here I am going to take example. First one, it is the sum of 6 times m and 5 times y is 25. Observe, dear students, the sum of 6 times m. Sum means it is plus. Sum means it is plus 6 times m and 5 times y. 6 times m is nothing but 6m and 5 times y is nothing but 5y. Sum of these two numbers is 25. Sum of these two numbers is 25. Then how to write? By using equation, it can be written as 6m plus, sum is indicated by it is plus 5y is indicate that it is equality sign is equal to 25. Dear students, look at here, 6 times m and 5 times y. If you add the sum of 6 times m and 5 times y is 25. Now the statement has changed to equation. Statement has changed to equation. I hope you are all understanding. So let us take one more example. You could understand. Second one. So I have taken from exercise. It is exercise 1 in the 8.1. So these are the questions are there in exercise 8.1. At the end of this class, you please complete this exercise. That is 8.1. It is there in the page number 111. So take one more equation. Okay, the sum of three consecutive, three consecutive integers, three consecutive integers is 27. Dear students, observe this one. The sum of three consecutive integers is 27. Here you split the question statement and you should know about what is meant by sum. Sum indicates that it is plus. It is plus. Three consecutive integers. Integers, you know the meaning of integers. A group of positive and negative numbers. It is called as integers. So, consecutive means three continuous numbers. If it is 1, the next consecutive number is 2, another consecutive number is 3, and 4, 5, 6. Like this, these are called as consecutive numbers. Dear students, when you add any number to 1, you are getting the consecutive number. Consecutive number is nothing but next number. Okay, so here you don't know the integer. You need to take first one integer. So that one integer b means it has to x. One integer be x. Now we don't know what is that integer, so we have taken as x. The next integer, next consecutive integer is next integer. Next integer is, what is the next consecutive integer? If it is x is one integer, then it is x plus 1. Do you understand? Then next consecutive integer is, it is x plus 2, x plus 1 and x plus 2. These are the three integers, consecutive integers. If you add these three integers, the sum is 27. Sum is 27. Before that, you should use equal sign so that you can write it in equation form. The first integer is x plus, this is the first integer. The second integer is x plus 1 plus, the next integer is x plus 2 is equal to 29. So dear children, you can simplify this equation. How to simplify? So x plus x plus 1. So without writing bracket, you can write plus again x plus 2 is equal to 27 given in the question. They have given 27, so write it 27 itself. No need to change the numbers. So here x, 3 times x are there. The operation is plus, here also plus, that is x plus x become 3x plus 1 plus 2 becomes 3 is equal to 27. This is the algebraic equation, because we say that it is an equation, it contains equal sign. Any equation, if it is having equal sign, then only it is say that it is an equation. If it contains greater than symbol, smaller than symbol, or not equal sign, then those are not equations. I hope you have understood how to convert statements into equations. We have taken statements, converted into equations. Similarly, second one also, statement given, converted into equation. Now I should proceed to how to convert equation to statements. Conversion of equations to statements. Conversion of equations to statements. Dear students, when you are writing statements, you can write in your own words, but the sentence formation and it gives meaning, it should be correct. So here I am going to take one equation, then I could tell which are the possible statements. The first one is 5p plus 7 is equal to 22. This is the one of the equation. It is there in exercise 8.1, and one more also I would like to take. It is second one, x minus 7 is equal to 25. Okay, two possible conditions. Two questions I have taken. Now you convert these equations to statements. This is the equation. So how to write it in the form of sentence? You can write it in this way. So 5 times, dear students, observe here, 5 times a number p. 5 times a number p is added to 7 gives 22. 5 times a number p is added to 7 gives 22. Or another way also you can say that it is the sum of 5 times a number p and 7 is 22. I hope you understood. The sum of 5 times a number p and 7 is 22. So in these two methods you can write the statements. So that has to write it in sentence. 5 times a number p. 5 times a number p is added to 7 gives 22. So this is gives 22. Or in another way also you can write, what is the next way, second way, that is the sum of 5 times a number p and 7 is 22. So these are the two possible ways you can write it in statement form. Now we come to the second one. Dear students, here also 7 is subtracted from a number x is 25, or the difference of a number x and 7 is 25. So in these two ways you can say the statements. Observe here, a number, here 7 is subtracted from a number x gives 25. Okay. Or in another way also you can write the difference difference is nothing but minus the difference of a number x and 7 is 25. So in these two ways you can write the equations into statements. So I hope you can write by your own conversion of equation to statements as well as statements to equations. First you need to take unknown quantity as x. Then again one more quantity also if they will give, you please select by using your cells. Next I proceed to check if the given statement, given values are the solutions are respective to the equations. You observe dear students, it is there in page number 81, 111. The question is, check if the given values are the solutions of the respective equations. Given values, if it satisfies the equality sign, then we say that those are the solutions of the equation. If I take the example, you completely understand. You please observe equation here. Equation in one side they have given and values. So here I am going to take a, that is 2x is equal to 30, x is equal to 15, and b 3p minus 2 is equal to 12, x is equal to p is equal to 5, and c 2x by 7 is equal to x minus 6, x is equal to 14. Yes students, there are three problems here. You check given values are the solutions for the equations or not. First I would like to take, that is 2x, the given equation is 2x is equal to 30. So here put x is equal to 15. In place of x you substitute 15. This x place you substitute 15 and calculate. If LHS and RHS are equal, then values of given equations are the solution. Understood? So therefore 2x is equal to 30 and 2 into x value is 15 is equal to 30. Dear students, 2 into 15, this bracket indicates that it is multiplication. 2 into 15, 15 twos or 15 twos are, it is 30 is equal to 30. So here this 30 is there in left hand side and this 30 is there in right hand side. So LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore x is equal to 15. X is equal to 15 is the solution is the solution for this equation. I hope you have understand. Now you come to the second one. It is b. 3b minus 2 is equal to 12. 3b minus 2 is equal to 12. Dear students, here what is the value of p given? P is put p is 5. P value is 5. We substitute p value in the place of p, so that which implies that 3 into value of p is 5. Here minus 2 is equal to 12. So 3 5s are 3 into 5. 3 5s 15. 15 minus 2 is equal to 12. 15 minus 2. How much you are getting? If you subtract 2 from 15, you get 13. 13 is equal to 12. Dear students, is it 13 equal to 12? 13 equal to 13 only and 12 equal to 12 only. So that it is not equal to 13 is not equal to 12. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. LHS is not equal to RHS. So that therefore P is equal to 5 is not solution. P is equal to 5, it is not solution because LHS is not equal to RHS. If it is equal, both left hand side and right hand side has to equal, then the given value is the solution. I hope you are understood. Now you come to the third one. Third one is there. It is there given in both the numerators and denominators. So please check it. You just substitute the value where they have given the variable. So it is C. 2x by 7 is equal to x minus 6. Dear students, put x is equal to x value how much given? 14. So the equation becomes 2 into. So this x value is 14 by 7 is equal to x is 14 minus 6. Dear students, it is there in numerator. 2 and 14 are there in numerator. 7 is in denominator. It is understood numerator can be divided by denominator. 7 1 7, 7 2s 14. 2 2s it has become 4. 2 2s are 4 equal to 14 minus 6. 14 minus 6 how much? It is 8. Does it 4 equal to 8? 4 is not equal to 8, which implies that LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, x is equal to 14 is not solution. Is not solution. Dear students, one more example also you may take, whether it is solution or not. One more equation. I'll take D. Okay. So here 3 by 2 P is equal to 3 by 2 P is equal to 27 by 2. Whether it is LHS is equal to RHS, will it come or not? You please check it once. Here I am going to take fourth one, that is D. 3 by 2 P is equal to 22 by 7. So put P is equal to P is equal to how much? It is 8. P is equal to 8. In place of P, you put 8. So that, which implies that 3 by 2 into P value is 8 is equal to 22 by 7. 22 by 2, not 7, here also 2. So dear students, this 8 has to multiply to 3. 8 threes. This 3 into 8 by 2 is equal to 22 by 2. Or else you can cancel it. 2 ones 2, 2 fours are 4 twos, it is becomes 4 threes 12. So here also 2 ones 2, again 2 ones 2 ones. So how much you are getting? Which implies that 12 is equal to 11. It is not equal. So LHS is not equal to RHS, which implies that P is equal to 8 is not solution. So dear students, in this way you can find out for any given fixed values, you are going to find out whether it is a solution or not. In the next class, I am going to continue the same topic and I am going to take few more examples and I will be meet you in the next class. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Bye bye.